Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view or unhide your virtual game cards that are hidden on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, go to virtual game cards. Now select the account you want to use it with and click on Can't Find Software. View hidden virtual game cards. Then you'll need to use your mobile device in order to scan a QR code that will be shown on the screen. Click on the link. Now it'll get you to Nintendo website. You need to enter your Nintendo account password. Once you click on OK, it will show a code on your phone, most probably, that you'll need to enter on your Nintendo, but I have verified like 15 seconds ago, 15 seconds before recording the video, so it probably doesn't prompt me about that. And now you can see your hidden virtual game cards. If you want to unhide any of those, click on the one that you want to unhide, click on options, then unhide. But even if it's hidden, you can still load it on this system, load another system, or lend to family group member. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.